The meniscus is a curved surface of a liquid in a tube. The attractive force between the liquid and the container is greater than the attraction between the individual molecules. This causes the liquids to stick to the sides of the containers. When reading the meniscus, always read from the bottom. For pipette priming, rinse 3 times with water and then 3 times with the solution. After priming the pipette, pour the substance into the beaker. Submerge the pipette in the substance without letting the tip touch the bottom of the beaker. Squeeze the bulb and clamp it onto the pipette. Release slowly to draw up the liquid. Remove the bulb and replace with an index finger to hold the liquid in place. Turn the pipette horizontally and rotate the pipette a few times. Drain the liquid completely. Repeat 3 times, first with water and then with the solution. For collecting data with the pipette, read the initial volume in the pipette by holding the pipette at eye level and reading from the bottom of the meniscus. Record the value of the pipette to 1 degree of uncertainty. Holding the pipette vertically and the beaker at a slight angle, slowly release the index finger from the pipette and drain the desired amount of substance against the inner wall of the beaker. Stop so the liquid is still within the measurement lines of the pipette for reading. Then record the final volume of the pipette. Calculate the volume delivered by using the formula of the final value of the volume of the pipette minus the volume initially in the pipette will equal the volume delivered. When using a graduated cylinder, make sure the cylinder is dry, clean, and undamaged. Pour your solution into the beaker. Pour the required amount of substance into the graduated cylinder by reading from the bottom of the meniscus, recording to 1 degree of uncertainty. Pour the solution out of the graduated cylinder into the reaction vessel. Read and record the final volume of the graduated cylinder using the technique. Calculate the volume delivered by using the formula of the initial volume recorded minus the final volume recorded, and this equal the volume delivered. When using a balance, take the balance to 0 by tearing it. Place an empty reaction vessel onto the balance and record the mass of all the decimal places given on the balance. If the last value fluctuates, use the most often occurring number or average the 2 most occurring numbers.